皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. There is only a little time left in this year. So today, I have something special to dive into. I'm going to explore the latest trends, catch up on fun expressions, and discover what's making waves in the Japanese language. This season, I must talk about ユーキャン新語流行語大賞2023. This year's list features expression from various aspects of life, spanning from pop culture to social issues. I've selected the 5 most interesting words and will be diving into their meanings, explore them in more detail. Let's see how many words you are already familiar with. Let's get started. Kaeruka genshō. Have you ever experienced a sudden change in feelings toward your crush, where it goes from liking them to a no thank you feeling for no apparent reason? This year, especially among Gen Z girls, there is a fun way to describe it. They call this situation kaeruka, which translates to becoming a frog. We use this term when a sudden change in feelings occurs. When someone you like starts to have feelings for you, but end up disliking them. Or you notice annoying habits like how they eat or their attitude toward the servers at a restaurant. Everyday situations like these can make it tough to decide. For over 4 years now, we're wearing a mask and relying more on social media to connect. The line between online fantasies and real-life interactions is like a fairy tale. Consider it our modern version of the Frog Prince from Grimm's fairy tales. Saying someone is becoming a frog is like suggesting they turned into a frog on their own. This term mirrors the trend of easily blocking someone on social media, reflecting how we navigate relationships today. 昨日前から好きだったまさきくんとデートに行ったんだけど食べ方が汚くてカエル化した。So yesterday I finally went on a date with Masaki-kun, the guy I've had a crush on. But you know what? His eating habit was so messy that I just don't like him anymore. それマジでカエルか No way, seriously, it's done with him. でしょ Right? カエルかカエルか地球沸騰化 In July 2023, the world experienced an extreme heat wave, making the highest ever recorded average temperature globally. We began using the term 地球沸騰化 after the United Nations Secretary General declared the era of global warming is over and the era of global boiling has arrived. This new term, 地球沸騰化, has replaced the familiar 地球温暖化, global warming. In Japan, some places experienced temperature exceeded 40 degrees Celsius in the summer of 2023, resulting in 2.3 times more people being hospitalized for heat stroke compared to the same time last year. In Japan, there is a rising interest in sustainable practices, and one unique trend is 昆虫食 or insect consumption. People are exploring this because it's seen as a way to fight global warming. Raising back for food supposedly creates way fewer greenhouse gases than raising traditional livestock like cows. It might sound a bit strange at first, but even well-known brands like Muji are getting in on it with their koorogi senbei. It's kind of intriguing. 地球沸騰化 地球沸騰化闇バイト Recently, there has been a surge in random goto robberies across Japan, even during the daytime. Groups of people are breaking into regular homes and open businesses, using violence to steal valuables. This random and violent approach is making people deeply uneasy because it can happen anywhere. Many of the individuals caught committing these random robberies are college students or young people dealing with financial struggles. They often fall for seemingly easy but high-paying job offer they find on social media. It's called yami baito. What makes these yami baito even more concerning is that the leader behind these robberies recruits students and young people who respond to job offers on social media. These leaders collect the recruits' personal information, which they later exploit to threaten them. They may make false claims like telling their family, school, or workplace that the recruits are part of a scam group or involved in criminal activities. Communication with these leaders is strictly through disposal phones or social media, and they never appear at the scene. When things go wrong, these leaders exploit and abandon those they manipulated. Please be cautious of shady job listings on social media that promise easy and high-paying job. Most of the time, it's yami baito. このバイト簡単で高収入だから応募してみようかな。This part-time job seems easy and well-paying, so maybe I should apply? これ絶対闇バイトだからやめた方がいいと思う。I'm pretty sure this is yami baito, so I think it's better not to. そうかな。やっぱりやめとく。ありがとう。Really? I will definitely pass then. Thanks. 闇バイト。闇バイト。頂き女子。The term 頂き女子 become well known thanks to the YouTuber これこれ。Sometimes the media talks about as a part of a bigger social trend. Itadaki joshi are mostly young women who get involved with older single men, sharing tough stories to get sympathy and financial support. They connect through dating sites or social media, pretending to be the girlfriend and making up sad stories to get money. They talk about financial problems like unpaid rent and huge debt. The cycle continues with promises of enjoyable future plans, repeating until they perceive the financial limit. Be careful, this is a serious crime. Please do not get involved in such activities and watch out for those itadaki joshi tactics on social media. 最近マッチングアプリで知り合った子とデート始めたんだ。I recently started dating a girl I met on dating app. そうなの？どんな子？ Oh, really? What she's like? 金銭的に大変そうだからちょっと助けようと思ってる。Seems like she's going through some financial difficulty, so I'm thinking of helping her out a bit. その子、頂き女子じゃない？気をつけた方がいいよ。Isn't she a 頂き女子？ You should be careful. 頂き女子。頂き女子。生成 AI. I believe most people are familiar with generative AI.A type of artificial intelligence designed to produce creative outputs using machine learning models. In Japan, we refer to it as seisē AI. This seisē AI allows us to create various creative works, including music, images, videos, program code, and text. Examples of well-known models include 画像生成 AI like Midjourney, and the widely popular text 生成 AI like ChatGPT. Personally, I've tried with seisē AI, and it's both enjoyable and efficient in generating creative things. Many Japanese companies are actively developing domestically produced large language models tailored to Japanese culture and business practices, facilitating the integration of seisē AI across different industries. It's an exciting development. seisē AI. seisē AI. That's it for today's video of World of New Japanese Words in 2023. From trendy expressions to social issues, it's clear that language is constantly evolving. Have you ever discovered any new words? Let me know. I hope you enjoy my video. If you enjoy my video and if you want to explore more fun things about Japan, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what would you like to see in my future video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた